Good morning and namaskar, my dear friends. Today we will see another wonderful company by the name Meghmani Fine Chem Limited. Earlier it was part of Meghmani Organics Limited. Both have been separated, and now the management is headed by Maulik Jayanti Bhai Patel as chairman cum managing director. There is of course another managing director and CEO Kaushal Ashish Soparkar. Then there are three executive directors: Ankit Natwarlal Patel, Karana Ramesh Bhai Patel, and Darshan Anand Bhai Patel. So, what are the raw materials required by the company? The company is ensured adequate supply of raw materials like power from coal, caustic soda, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, caustic potash, HCl gas, chlorine 2 gas, Cl2 gas, sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide, and so on. Many raw materials are there. Now, finished products also quite a number: caustic soda lye, caustic soda flakes, caustic potash lye, liquid chlorine, chlorine gas in pipeline, liquid HCl, methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, diluted sulfuric acid, hydrogen in gas cylinders and in pipeline, hydrogen peroxide, epichlorohydrin, and CPVC resin. Now, the company is embarking on a huge expansion program: forward integration, backward integration, new products, and so on. So, it wants to achieve a turnover of 5,000 crores in 2.5 years. Now, the manufacturing side is at Dahej in Gujarat. Does it not found very familiar? What I find is many companies are based at Dahej. It seems Gujarat government is giving lot of incentives for establishing industrial plants at Dahej. Now let us look at the highlights of the last Q4 and FY22 operations to some extent initially. Revenue growth of CAGR 32%. 32% is the CAGR for revenue growth for the last 5 years up to FY 2022. It has commissioned 60 kilotons per annum hydrogen peroxide plant in July 2020. It has expanded caustic chlorine capacity 294 kilotons per annum. It has got a captive power plant 96 megawatts in June 2020. The revenue has been something like 1,555 crores in FY 21-22. Now, some of the other interesting news are: CRISIL has upgraded Meghmani Fine Chem rating to AA- stable. Meghmani Fine Chem has announced, I have just now told also, a huge expansion plan, and it's going to go on for next 2.5 years in steps. Now, the immediate plan is for chlorotoluene and its value chain. As I said, forward integration, backward integration, both are there. Meghmani Fine Chem's standalone net profit has risen by 83.42% in September quarter, that is Q2. Now it has gone further and further, and next quarter is likely to be even still better. Let us take a look at the latest quarter, Q4. Net sales in Q4 was 499 crores. Its previous quarter, Q3, 422 crores, Q2, 340 crores, Q1, 290 crores, and last year, Q4, 259 crores. So, from 259 crores, it has come to 499 crores, almost 500 crores, you can say that. So, year on year growth is 92.92%. Quarter on quarter growth is 18.15%. Now, profit before tax is 144 crores in Q4, 109 crores in Q3, 71 crores in Q2, 59 crores in Q1, and 55 crores in Q4 last year. So, profit before tax has expanded by 163% to year on year and 32% quarter on quarter. Then, net profit 99 crores in Q4, 70 crores in Q3, 47 crores in Q2, 37 crores in Q1, and 33 crores in Q4 last year. Where is 33 crores in Q4 last year and where is 99 crores in Q4 this year? Will it go at this rate? So it's almost triple. So year on year growth is 203% and quarter on quarter growth is 42%. Look at that. Net sales have grown by 92.92% year on year. Net profit has risen by 203% year on year. So quite a good show. Equity is 41.55 crores. Basic EPS on a face value of 10 is 23.85 in this quarter. Now multiply by 4, it comes to over 90 per annum. So market price is hovering around 1500 now. Sometimes it goes much above that, sometimes it goes below that. So let us say 1500. Price earning on that basis is a moderate 15. So there is a lot of scope for further improvement in the coming quarters. It has in the last 1 day or something like that, it has gone beyond 5576 also, and that is the 52-week high also. Volumes are reasonably good, sometimes 4 lakhs, sometimes 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs also, which means buying and selling is easy. Now let us take a look at the annual results also for the last 5 years. Between 2022 and 2021 and 2022 and 2018, net sales have improved by 152% from 2018 to 2022, and it has expanded by to 88% from 21 to 22. From last year to now, it has expanded by 87.78%. Look at that. In 5 years, 152%. In 1 year, 87%. So it's moving very fast. Now, profit after tax also, in 5 years, it has expanded by 63%, and in 1 year, it has expanded by 151%. So the current rate of progress is very high. So for the last year, the EPS was 60.84 rupees. What will be the EPS for the coming year? Likely to be over 90 or even more probably. Now, what are the strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats of Meghmani Finechem in the last quarter and last year? A strong quarter-on-quarter EPS growth, new 52-week high in price, good quarterly growth, all-round growth, sales, EBIT, etc., PBT, and net profit, margins also. Net profit and net profit margin all have shown impressive growth. Increasing revenue in the last 4 quarters, increasing profits in the last 4 quarters. The company has zero promoter pledge. There is no pledge at all. FIIs and FPIs are increasing their shareholding. Now, what are the weaknesses? Of course, promoters have not pledged, but they have decreased their shareholding to some extent. very little but decreased. Now opportunities are the share price has recovered from 52-week low very fast. The RSI line indicates good price momentum. Non-core income is increasing. That is not a good sign. Now moneycontrol.com has given it 82% pass, and the technicals indicate very bullishness. Now volumes I have said 4,10,000, so which is very good. Beta means how in relation to indices how it rises, and in relation to indices how it falls. The beta is 1.42, means when the market is in the uptrend, make money rises higher than the indices. Likewise, when it falls, it is likely to fall more than the indices. So it's going on well. It is an outperformer relative to the index. The Nifty 50 has fallen by 0.08% in the last 1 month, but Make Money Fine Income has risen by 12%. It is likely to rise even much higher than this. Now, it is consistently having large deals. Today also, 2 large deals. Now, as far as the shareholding is concerned, there is a slight decrease in promoter shareholding from 71.19% to 71.18%. FIIs and FPIs, they have reduced their stakeholding in the recent past because of this Russian war, etc. From 1.16% to 1.02%, they have reduced in the Q4 quarter. Number of FII investors also, but that has risen. While the holdings have come down slightly, number of investors have risen from 30 to 37. Institutional investors also have increased their holding. So we have seen quarterly results, we have seen annual results, we have seen expansion programs, we have seen that in the coming days also the management is confident that the current rate of high profit margins will be maintained. They have got sufficient shareholding overall. They have a lot of confidence in the company. The company is likely to progress very fast in the coming quarters. So I have given you all the pluses and 1 or 2 small minuses also. But as always, the disclaimer is that you have to study it further by yourself or along with your advisors and then take a decision. And another disclaimer is I am also increasing my holding slowly in this Make Money Fine Income. Now it's up to you, of course. Thank you. I will be bringing before you such wonderful companies, but the decision as always is yours. Let us progress together fast. See, stock market is an avenue for making money, and that should be your motto. But if a company does not perform well, give it up. No sentiments as regards companies. Sentiments is only in respect of individuals, people, not in respect of company shares. If it is not performing, switch on to a better one. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I will be before you with another very good company shortly.